Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted Instagram account. Now, whether you deleted your Instagram account and it's been less than 30 days and you wanted to recover it, or it's been permanently deleted and you wanted to recover it, I'm going to walk you through both options. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or go to Instagram.com. In my case, you can see my other account. This is not the one that's been deleted. So I'm going to tap Use Another Profile. And in this case, one way to be able to recover your account if it's been within 30 days of deleting it is just to log back into your account. It's super easy and you don't need to do anything else. So if I enter in the username and password for this account, Trevor Nace YouTube, and tap on login, it should pop up and say, do I want to basically keep my account? Do you want to keep using this account? It was scheduled to be deleted, but I just want to keep it instead. So I can tap keep account, and essentially it will log me in and it will cancel that account deletion. I can go through and hit save info and etc. And now I'm back into that account. However, let's say this doesn't work for you and it's been permanently deleted. There are two different ways that you can check to see if you can get it back. Tap on Safari or Google Chrome, and on here, we're first just going to type in Instagram support, and tap on search. Tap on the first link, help.instagram.com. And now from here, we're going to tap on search at the top. Search for recover account and tap search. On here, it will pop up with some options. Scroll down and tap on account recovery and log in. You can see if someone else had access to your account, you can go to instagram.com/hacked. And if you scroll down and someone else changed your email address or you lost access to the email or phone number, you can tap on that. Now, if your account was permanently deleted because you were hacked, you can tap on that link and then enter in the username, phone number, or email and go through this process of reporting it to Facebook/Meta/Instagram. Essentially, they'll work with you to get it back. However, if this doesn't work for you or your account was not hacked, let's instead go back into the web browser, Google Chrome or Safari, and we're going to type in Instagram support ticket. Instagram support ticket. You can see here it says points of support and contact on Instagram. Tap on that at the top and go through this basically options on how to contact Instagram directly. Essentially, you're going to contact them and lay out the reason why you didn't mean to permanently delete your account or why somebody else did it and you didn't want them to delete your account, and they'll help you recover it through the Instagram support forms. I hope this helps. If it did, check out the video to my right. I think you'll really like that video. Thanks, guys.